In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways on how you can find untapped profitable keywords for any niche. No matter what level you are, this video has been specially designed for beginners who want to learn video SEO. Now, before we get started, one of the important things when it comes to video SEO is engagement. So do me a favor and go ahead and leave a comment below telling me what it will mean to you if you manage to find some profitable keywords for your business and generate a 24/7 marketing machine. I'm an affiliate marketer and I'm going to be showing you as an affiliate marketer how I tend to keyword research, find my profitable keywords. But first we need a product to promote. So I'm going to head over to a platform called ClickBank. So here I am in a platform called ClickBank, which is a centralized area of lots of product creators where they post their digital products. So I'm going to head over to Marketplace, and these are the top products people are promoting on ClickBank. So I'm just going to choose a random one. This one looks good, and I'm just going to click on it to see the website. So one of the first things that I want to know is, what is this website going to be ranking for? So the product that we've chosen is a diabetes product. So now I need to find profitable keywords all about diabetes which don't have that much competition, which is going to be difficult because the diabetes industry, the health niche, is actually unbelievably competitive. So the first thing that I'm going to do in the first keyword method I'm going to show you is I'm going to take the URL and head over to a free tool created by Google called Google Keyword Planner. Here I am in Google Keyword Planner. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Discover New Tools, click Start with a Website, and paste this in like so. I'm going to change United Kingdom to the whole world and now do get result. Okay, so Google is now giving us all of these keywords, these long tail keywords, short tail keywords this website is ranking for. And what you can see on the right is it even tells you how much competitors are paying for these keywords and the search volume. Now I am running active paid campaigns in Google Keyword Planner, which means that I get this data. But if you are not paying for, if you are not spending money with Google Keyword Planner, it will give you estimates rather than exact information. Google Keyword Planner gives you a whole list of keywords that you can start using, and if you've watched my other videos, which I'll link to you below, then you can take each of these long tail keywords and create a little video all about that particular topic and start ranking. Okay, let's move on to method 2, which again is another free method. So what you want to do, you want to head over to just Google and you want to go ahead and type in diabetes and go ahead and press enter. Google is displaying lots of information all about diabetes, but I'm not really interested in all of this stuff. I am interested in this bit here, which is Google questions. And what Google have done is they've taken the most relevant questions people are searching and they've matched that up with websites that are specifically optimized to answer these questions. What we would do is take these questions and these answers and we will create little slideshow videos or something on those lines and upload them to YouTube. This is a really easy way to find keywords and start building up authority on your digital assets. Part 2 of method 2 is scrolling down to the bottom and also seeing searches related to diabetes. And you can see that it's also showing all of these different searches Google is actually recommending, and these searches are things that people are searching for. So just by taking all of those Google questions and taking all of those related search queries, you can create a little snippet video on each one and start building up your authority, which will then give you more and more exposure and get more and more clicks to wherever you send your audience. Moving on to method 3, which is the YouTube search method. So head over to YouTube and type in the keyword, and now what you can see is it lists all of these videos, and like you can see, all of these videos have millions or hundreds of thousands of views. So what you can do, instead of copying that exact video, you would take the title of that video, you would go back to Google, search it, and then you would take the titles of all of these and again make helpful videos targeting these titles, and you would do the same with these questions as well, and you'll basically repeat the process of what we spoke about in methods 1 and 2. Okay, so method 4 I like to call the Udemy method, and I'm going to show you why right now. So if you've never heard of Udemy, Udemy is a online education platform where people, individuals and content creators will create courses teaching people stuff, and you can enroll in these courses for a fraction of the price. So if you scroll down to any of the courses, you would want to go into your niche. So again, I'm just going to type in diabetes, and now you can see we've got all of these courses. So ideally what you want to do, you want to go with a course which has a lot of reviews, and the reason we want to go with a course which has a lot of reviews is because that course would be usually higher quality than ones that aren't. And I saw a course which had 114 reviews. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. All you really want to do is you want to go through what you're going to learn, and you will take these titles and again create little helpful videos targeting these keywords. And if you wanted to take the Udemy method one step further, all you need to do is go ahead and purchase the course, which will give you a ton more information about each chapter, and then you can take that chapter and create a helpful video yourself and release it online. Okay, now moving on to the Fith method, which is a paid method. I like to call this method the lazy man method because it does everything for you. So if you do have a bit of money and you think, hey, I can afford this sort of software, then I highly recommend it because it will make your life much easier. And it does one other thing, which I'm going to show you right now. Here we are in a software called Vidly, which I will leave a discount link below in my video if you want to check it out. In Vidly, you can do something called keyword research, and like Google Keyword Planner and all these other things, what we would do is enter our main keyword right here, click research, and within seconds it now loads all of these keywords, and it even shows us how many people on YouTube are trying to rank for this sort of keyword and how much traffic this one keyword is getting. Now, of course, unless the YouTube competition right here is super low, you're going to want to stay away from anything which has over 200,000 to 300,000 competitors. But if we scroll down a little bit, you can see that this keyword here only has 8,000 competitors, and it's got monthly searches of 1,300. But another thing, it actually goes out of its way to specifically find keywords which don't have a lot of competition. Now, one more thing which is really relevant if you are going to choose Vidly for your keyword research is the video details tab. Click on generate details, type in your keyword like so. It will then generate the keywords for you, and you would just go ahead and do next step, and then you're going to be taken to where you can auto populate all of your websites and social media. Click generate details, click OK, and now here you can see we've got a title, a description, and all the tags, and we will just copy and paste this into each of our videos. So when it comes to keyword research and beginners, sometimes it can be really difficult to even find any sort of keywords, and to, when you're following guides online, which one do I go to, because there's so many different methods. And that's the thing, there are so many different methods. But overall, using these methods, especially using video SEO in 2020, is something that you're probably going to want to start focusing on for two reasons. Number one, Google owns YouTube, and people have started moving over to video. So video is absolutely scorching hot at the moment, and Google are prioritizing videos over website. Another reason you want to be using video and ranking videos over anything else now is because a video is a 24/7 sales pitch for you and your business. You literally plant something once and it's running in the background all the time, non-stop. Hopefully you'll find a way to utilize one of these methods, because most people overcomplicate video SEO. At the end of the day, the only thing that really matters is applying, is taking action, because you've got to start building these digital assets and trialing things and just keep on posting. The more you do, the greater chance of finding those profitable keywords, getting them ranked and earning through it. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about why I always start with long tail keywords before ranking for anything serious in a niche. So if you've learned something or you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button, because I upload daily video SEO tips and tricks videos to help you grow online.